Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Doro short leather riding gloves. Noru is a new brand to our industry that comes from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House, that has a lot of experience with house brands. They have Cortec and Tourmaster. Those are two names I'm sure you're probably already familiar with. They've been in the industry for years. Both have excellent reputations. With Noru, the intention was to come out with a line of street riding apparel that gets right to the point and delivers unmatched value. When you hear the price point on this, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. This is meant for riders working on a budget or new riders just getting in the game, need to get all kitted up and save a little bit of money. Before we dive in too deep, I don't want to give anyone the false expectation, hey, these are just as good as any 100+ short riding leather glove. There are differences between it, but I will tell you, having a lot of experience doing this, having looked at a lot of stuff, tried a lot of stuff on, with what I see here, the level of quality, and then when I hear the price point, it's kind of mind-blowing. I think they did a really solid job with it. I'm interested to see how well it does in the marketplace. Price. The retail price is $49.99. You're going to see these sold for as low as $24.99. As I understand it, there's going to be different sale periods throughout the year, but the lowest one will be $24.99. And yes, that is for both gloves, not just one. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on now. I got a really good, comfortable fit. I would say they hit it spot on. This is a full grain leather glove. A lot of ventilation, right? A lot of perforation here. Back of the hand, motion panels there. There's a molded knuckle protector, right? A little rubber protector in there. Touchscreen compatibility. I tested it. It works. They got a nice overlay right here where your hands touch the bars, and impact zone here. If you happen to come off the bike, got 2 layers of leather working for you right there. All internal seams. Entry and exit right here is done with the leather and the Velcro. A little motion panel back here. They just get right to the point. They feel really nice. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.